Hi, welcome to Samim Group. Today we're going to talk about AES in and out in UDC cards. Stay tuned. Digital audio input for embedding digital audio on STI signals. Here we have 4 pairs of input channels or 8 inputs. As you see in here, it's entering into audio processor. Inside AES in here, we have 16 inputs and 4 of them is for AES in. And as you can see, others are 4 other sections, such as de-embed and analog. Input number 9 to number 12 are using for AES in. Of course, we can make some changes in here, and after submitting, input tag will change. Also, we are be able to set all of the inputs of proc amp to AES 1. Let's take a look at card schema. Yes, that's it. All of the inputs are AES 1. Let's change the inputs from schema. That's right, easy. On the other hand, AES out is here. Whenever in the embedder mode, we are be able to have analog and digital audio outputs. AES out could use any of audio proc outputs. According to inputs, which is set to 9 to 12 inputs, we've got 9 to 12 outputs here. And it's set to AES out. And again, here we have 4 pairs or 8 of digital outputs. Inside AES unit, yes, we have 16 outputs and the labels of AES 1 to AES 4. Also, we are be able to use output number 2 for AES out number 1. And the others like that. We are free to use any of the outputs here as needed. Also, we can turn our pairs off or on. Let's take a look at card schema. Everything is fine as we've set inside the card. You can track the connections here. As you can see, pair 2, 3 and 4 are turned off and only pair 1 is on right now. Let's take a look at inside. Yes, here it is. This is all of it. Thank you for watching. For more information, you can check out our website at www.samimgroup.com.